Hey, what's going on? Daniel here. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I want to break down this one-page funnel that's made over six figures, in fact, multiple six figures at this point by just promoting one thing to one specific audience. So maybe you know, or maybe you don't. Jonathan Montoya is one of the leading affiliate marketers here on YouTube, and a lot of people, thousands of people, in fact, including myself, has gone through his program, the 3-day business breakthrough challenge. And I think it's a very great program for anyone who's just getting started with affiliate marketing. But even more importantly, in this video, I want to break down his one-page funnel, or one of his many funnels that he uses in attracting traffic and then selling them the program further down the line. Now, this is the ebook funnel that Jonathan Montoya uses to drive a ton of his traffic. And what makes this one page unique is that a lot of people feel like in order to make any type of money online, you need to have all of these complex funnels and have multiple things going on in the background. But I'm here to tell you that that isn't the case. That should not be the case. In fact, this funnel has proven that you can make money with one page funnel just as much as you can with a funnel with a lot of complexities going on. So let's get right into it. Now, this is one ebook funnel, and as you can see right here, super clean, super straightforward, offers one thing, which is a free ebook download. And once you click on that, you enter your email address, takes you to the next step, and goes from there. But I will break it all down. So once you come here, you will see that it has one headline: the 7 proven steps to building a 6-figure online business from scratch. That is a master copywriting trick right there, because it gives you exactly what you will gain by downloading the resource. The 7 proven steps to building a 6-figure online business from scratch. Meaning, if you don't know anything about online business, if you don't have an existing online business, this is going to teach you everything you need to know. It's got a subtitle: without having any product experience or dealing with clients, which is what most people do not want to do. Most people don't want to deal with clients. Most people don't have any experience, and most people don't have any product. So that kills it right there. So under that, you have your button, which is the free ebook download, get instant access now. And what I see, a mistake that I see a lot of people make is, one, they use call to actions that is very vague, like, download now, or, sign up here, something that is not very specific, something generic. But as you can see here, this call to action trick, one of the oldest tricks in the book, is to use something very specific and something very direct, like free ebook download. Or if you're offering a discount, get your 50% discount. If you're offering a free session, get your free session. You want to be as direct as possible, and this is what this button does right here. And also it goes further to lay down some of the things that they will benefit once you download the ebook. Say goodbye to your soul-sucking 9-to-5 job, create passive income machine from home, build a life of complete time and financial freedom, and create multiple income streams on autopilot. And this speaks to every beginner out there that I know who wants to create an online business. Everybody wants to, say goodbye to their sucking 9-to-5 job. Everybody wants to create passive income. Everybody wants to create time and financial freedom, and they want to create a passive income stream. So this is just one page that does everything well. And once you click on the button right here, the pop-up comes up where you can enter your email address. This is what it looks like here. Get the 7 steps here. All you have to do is enter your email address and you submit it, and it takes you to the next step. Now let's look at what the next steps look like. Once you click on it, right, it takes you to the thank you page. I tell you, the thank you page is really important, just as important as the main page itself. You're all set. Check your email for the free ebook. Then it goes further. Are you ready to take the challenge and create a lifetime of passion and fulfillment? Yes, show me how. So the thank you page is an opportunity for you to speak to your client. To speak to your potential, client or your audience, and offer them something more. Now that you've got their attention, you get the email, you can market to them as much as you want. But before they leave that page, you have their attention. Now is the time to present something of value, present your offer. Of course, not everyone is going to take it up, but at the average industry take-up rate is about 4 to 5%, meaning like for every 100 person that lands on that page, you are more likely to get at least 4 to 5 of them to say yes to that offer. So why not offer it? Because if you don't do that, you're just going to be missing out on potential sale. But if you can get 4 to 5 people to take on the offer, then you have made a sale which you would otherwise not be able to make. So this is the job of the thank you page right there. Once you click on show me how, then it takes you to the bridge page. This is the sales page that tells you everything you need to know about the program. Now you've downloaded the ebook, you go to the thank you page, you are interested, right? About 4 to 5%, like I said, are interested. They click on it and they come here. This is where the sale happens. How I built a 10K per month business and left my electrical engineering job. Boom, boom, boom. There's a video right there that tells you everything you need to know. There's a sales letter right there that tells you everything you need to know. Then you click on get started today. Now that takes you to the order page. You enter your your credit card information and you make the sale. Simple as that. This sale was about $7, but I was able to enroll into a $1,250 affiliate program further down the line. You can structure this however you want, but this is just a 3-step process to building a sales funnel that works. A free offer, an ebook, it could be a free class, a affiliate course. Get them to the thank you page, offer something else, offer an upsell, take them to the bridge page or the sales page and make that sale. So this is how affiliate marketers like Jonathan Motoya has been able to build a multi 7-figure online business using one-page funnels like this. If you're looking for a premium template like this, check out the link on the screen, growwithsystem.com. I have premium templates in there. If you're watching this within 1 week of this video going live, it may not be up yet, but check back again. If you're watching anytime after that, I have some premium templates that you can use to build your online business. Check them out, and also check out the links in the description. If you want access to my private community, my private ads mastery group, you can check that out as well. Leave any questions in the comment section down below, and I will see you in the next video.